Hello guys! So today we're going to talk about Steamdeck. So one of my friends is asking, is it possible to transfer files in Steamdeck without any USB drives, microSD or external drives? The answer is yes, it is possible using SSH service. So what is SSH service? In Linux used to remote any device or any running Linux device to perform any actions or any administration. So I'm going to teach you today how to do or how to configure our Steam Deck to accept any SSH connection and also to establish a file transfer connection as long as these devices are connected in the same network. So let's get started. So before we gonna configure our Steam Deck to enable our SSH service and also to accept file transfer from another devices, we need to switch our Steam Deck device to the desktop mode. So when you are in the desktop mode already, to access the console, because we need to enter a bash command. So here in the console is already in my desktop, but if the console is not in your desktop yet, you can find here in the start menu, system and console terminal. Then before we gonna run the required bash command, we need to run as root so that the command will run successfully. So to do that, we need to enter sudo space ACU space dash and enter your password. As you see, we already in the root user account. So now we are ready to enter the command or the bash command required to enable our SSH service. So we need to call the systemctl and start the service, which is the SSH. Then enter. Now you have successfully start your SSH service. Now you need to check also if the service was started successfully. So by using this command, bash command, you need to call again the systemctl status, then the service name. So SSH. As you see, the status is loaded and it is active and running. Meaning that our SSH connectivity is successfully started and listening in the port 22. So we are now successfully configured our Steam Deck for the SSH service. So after we configure our Steam Deck for the SSH services, so our Steam Deck device is now ready to accept an SSH connection. So here we are in our in a laptop. So example, we are in a laptop. You need to copy a files from your laptop to your Steam Deck. So what we're gonna do is to install from the App Store, and the application name is FileZilla. Here in the application store, the application is ready to install. So what you're gonna do, just install the application, Okay. By the way, I'm using Linux OS and the distro name is Pop OS. So just open. Now we have opened the FileZilla application. Upon opening the application, you have observed that there is in the left side there is the list of directories. This is our local directories in our laptop. So these are the files available or we can transfer to our Steam Deck device. So in the right side area, this is where the directory is gonna list available in our Steam Deck device. So how we gonna connect to our Steam Deck device? So first of all, you need to define the IP address on your Steam Deck device. Your username and my super secret password. And you need to define the default port number. So the default port number is 22 for the SSH. So just click quick connect. As you observe here, it means the directory was listed, so it means we are successfully connected to our Steam Deck device. So these are the directories available in our Steam Deck device. So example, I want to copy files from my laptop to my Steam Deck device. So I will just select the directory in our Steam Deck where we gonna save the files from the laptop. So example, documents. So just double click documents. And example, I'm gonna try to transfer example files. So let's say I would like to transfer these files. Balina Etcher. So I just drag it from left side to the right side. So as you observe here, this is now the elapsed time on copying the files. So see, it's just very easy copying files, so you don't need any USB or SD cards to copy files from another device to your Steam Deck. So it's just very simple. You just need the same network and you can just establish an SSH connection file transferring. So this one. So we already transferred the files in our Steam Deck. So we can use this one if you want to copy ROM files that you can load in your AmiDex, or you can copy like installation files that if you want to install specific programs or games in your Steam Deck. So that's it, guys. So again, thank you for watching my video and take care. Bye bye.